So how to transfer photos or videos to your DJI to your iPhone? Open DJI Fly apps on your mobile, and at the same time go to your DJI drone album. And then you can see the save option, and for aircraft you have to press on aircraft album. Then suppose I want to send this video to my mobile, then open the video, then top right corner this icon, you have to select this icon, then you can see this kind of pop-up. At the same time open the DJI apps, go to album and press on top right corner this icon, sorry, this icon, and then press on scan QR code. Now just scan your code, press on join. Now its file is sent and it's now in my phone. Now suppose you want to send again, then press on this icon and file automatically sent to your mobile. Yeah, again send, again. So this is how you can easily send photo or video to DJI to iPhone. Don't forget to thumbs up and do subscribe. Have a good day.